Welcome. Okay, so you can see some payment proof. Okay, on your screen now. There's some payment proof from the platform I'll be showing you now. Okay, and the platform is starclicks. Okay, so these are some payment proof. Okay, you can see on the screen $50, $100. Okay, you can see so some payment proof. Okay, so you can make so much money just by clicking on ads on this website I'll be showing you today. Okay, so stay with me step by step. I'll show you how to register account, how to verify your account, okay, and how to start making money and how to add your payment method and withdraw on this platform. Okay, so welcome to my channel Online Money. Also, I post content on how to make money online. Okay, and you can see I have several videos. I have over 150 videos on this channel. Okay, so if this is your first time, you can come over and check my previous videos and start making money with them. Okay, so if this is your first time, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, tap on the notification bell and tap on all so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. I usually upload video I upload 3 videos in a week. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, come over to starclicks.com. Okay, starclicks.com. Okay, you can use the referral link in the description of this video. Okay, if you register using my link, I'll earn a little commission. Okay, that's just to show like appreciation for me showing you doing this tutorial video for you. Okay, so you earn money as a publisher just by clicking ads. So as you can see on their website here, okay, very easy. You see, you can watch tutorial video to learn how it works. Okay, welcome to starclicks. Get it done quickly. Okay, that's when you watch a tutorial video. But when you scroll down, you see step 1 is to sign up, step 2 is to sign in, verify your email and verify your phone number. Step 3 is to click ads, get paid instantly for every advertisement link you click. Okay, and step 4 is to withdraw your money, transfer your money from your account to your PayPal bank account and more. Okay, and there are several payment method. Okay, I'll be showing you guys everything. Okay, and you can see there are some other features there that you need to know about, and I'll be showing you guys everything. Okay, I'll be showing everything because this is a detailed tutorial video. Okay, so and there are many ways to receive your money: PayPal, bank transfer and cryptocurrency. Okay, so you just have to click on sign up. Okay, when you click on sign up, you go to this page. Okay, tap on publisher to sign up as a publisher. Okay, so you have to enter your name, your last name, your date of birth, your home address, your city where you live, your zip code, your phone number. Okay, you have to verify that phone number. Okay, and your email address, your password and your security question in case you forget your password. If you want to recover it. Okay, and referral ID if you use one, but if you use the link in the description, they would have already input the referral ID here. And also enter your code and click on register. Since I have an account already, I won't need to be filling this form again, so I just have to come and log into my own account. Okay, so this is my own account here. Okay, let me enter this verification code here. Okay, so let me log into my account. I created this just for this video. Okay, so when I click login, on login, these are the account dashboard will look like. Okay, so if you are a new account, you'll be on the silver member. Okay, there's 3 membership: there's silver, there's gold and there's platinum. Okay, so on the silver one here, you only be liable to 7 ads. Okay, you earn $0.01 per ads. Okay, by ad click, and this is where you see the ads. Okay, PPC, pay per click. Okay, so on a silver membership, you only have 7 ads, and I'll click on 2, remain 5, and you can see the earning here. So that means on a silver membership, you can only earn 7 cents per day, which is low, but it's still something. It's very low. But if you come to, let me show you upgrade account. Okay, let me show you fully. Okay, so if you see on the silver membership, you are limited to unlimited payouts, limited ads. You only earn $0.01 per click. Limited payout, you can only request payout once a month. Okay, $50 minimum payout. Limited auto payout. Okay, no HTML code, only basic referral code, and it's free. But if you want to upgrade to the gold accounts, there will be many ads. Okay, and you earn 0.01 per click. Okay, so I can withdraw every week. Okay, and I think there is no minimum withdrawal for you there, but to upgrade is just $19.95. So this is $20. And for the Platinum, you earn $0.02 per click, that's 2 cents, okay, and I think there's unlimited ads, okay. And no, you can see your daily earning for silver is 7 cents. For gold, you'll be earning $4.90, and for platinum, you're earning $7. So in a month for gold, that's $4 times 9 times 30. Let me say that's $5 times 30, that's $150. And just to register, it's just $19. So you can see that you're making profits, okay. So if you have the money to upgrade, you can upgrade because this is a paying site with a lot of payout proof, okay. So if you wish to upgrade your account, you can just scroll down here and tap on upgrade now, okay. When you tap on upgrade now, to show you how you can upgrade your account, either credit card, PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin or Litecoin, okay. And something about this HTML code is, okay, because when you upgrade your account, you have access to HTML code, full access, okay. And HTML code is also another way you can make money. When you come here, okay, you tap on HTML code, but since I'm on the free version, you can't say anything. The HTML code is a code that you can add to your website. When you add on your website, when people click on it, will be like an ad. So when people click on it, you will make money, okay. So you can make money multiple ways, okay. So it's very easy. And if you want to invite people, tap on invite people here, and okay, you have to enter the person name to send invitation. But okay, this is the referral section here, referral link, okay. So let's see how much you will earn per referral, okay. So the referral commission for per sign up including circle, okay, I think you're earning 8 cents per referral. But if the person upgrade to gold, you earn $5. If the person upgrade to platinum, you earn $10. So I've dropped my referral link there, so just use it to show appreciation for making this detailed tutorial video for you, okay. And if you have the money, you can go for the gold and platinum package. As you can see, it's a great chance for you to make money, okay, because you can see you'll be making back your money within few days, okay. So to withdraw, you have to come to, I think, account setting, like come to my settings. You have to like update your profile, okay. So like payout settings, you have to come to your profile, tap on payout settings. I have to set your payout, like this paper email, you can input your Bitcoin address, you can input it, okay, and save, okay. And if it's your bank account, and I think yes, you can input your bank account, and you see your payment through bank, okay. And I think for you have to verify your mobile number. You just tap on here, verify mobile number, and I think I'll send a code to your mobile number. You have to verify it, just very easy like that, okay. So I think reverse from computer, no further, okay. I've completed everything. It's very easy. So you can see on the silver, you are limited to only 7 cents per day, but for the gold, you're making $4.90, okay. And it's something that's close to $5 every day. Just clicking on ads, just log in, click on ads, log out every day, click on that, and you're making over $100 per month, okay, which is enough to cover some little bills and also used to do other things, okay. So this is a very great opportunity for you to make money online just by clicking ads. And they also have support. If you have an issue, you can just tap on here and you're able to contact them, chat with them, okay. It's very easy. So that will be all for this video. So please don't forget to subscribe, okay. And I've dropped link to some videos like you can make money with, okay. Check the description of the video. I dropped like link to 4 to 3 videos, okay, whereby you can make money easily, making your first $100 online, okay. So if you find this very difficult for you, or you don't have a lot of money to upgrade your account, you can check the videos in the description of this video, okay. I dropped the link there. You can make money easily online for free. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.